We should have a game one day where we're having a kill race.
Oh, you'd win.
You think so?
Your young eyes and reaction times shoot much better than me.
I don't know about all that. I mean, you get a lot more kills than I do in the very beginning. I'm usually looting and doing all that in the very beginning. God, dude, we're gonna be so rusty playing this.
Mm-hmm. I just got killed by somebody that I do not think is a bot.
God.
I can't tell. Well, he ran off, so maybe he is. I'm not sure.
I'm right here next to you.
Oh,
Talk to me.
there's two bots in the room with me. There's one like hitting the wall. Car to the other side of the wall to the right. Nope. Let me crawl out here because they shot me through the window.
Yeah, they shot me.
Hit that door right there. Careful because they're definitely all right around us.
Oh yeah. There's a UMP up here if you need a gun.
Got guns, man. Look at that. Holy shit! Dude, I walked in this room and there's a chicken with a DP-28 like barrel right in my nose.
You know what really grinds my gears?
I hate finding a suppressor for something I don't have.
What do you got?
M16 and MP5.
No, what's the
Uh,
suppressor for?
DMR sniper.
I'll be right over. Catch, bitch.
I think it's on that ping right there. Blue ping. If you see any 9mm, I'm in pretty good need.
Bitch, join the club.
Yeah, I figured. I figured.
This guy was down to my last 17 bullets. Somebody's sniping in the field over here.
Yeah, I hear that. Sounds like a pretty big gun, too.
I think there's somebody running back towards you.
Yeah, I got somebody on me.
Look at this little treasure trove of body.
Ew, good lord.
Oh, who's sniping at me?
That sounds like it's coming from the church area.
The church is where humans like to drop, so
That is true.
approach cautiously.
Wow. I don't even want to talk about that. Dude, ain't none of you guys got 9mm? What is going on? Did you find that suppressor up in?
Ooh. Well, that was a bot.
Right.
My aim was all over the place.
Hold on. Definitely got somebody near me. Alright, I'm good.
This dude right here.
Oh yeah, I see him. Barely. Got him for you.
Did he go all the way through? I'm in the house looking for his ass. Got some health on him.
Oh, I'm very good on health. I need ammo. Be careful in this field. I was hearing a good bit of shots.
Yeah, they're definitely here. It's someone upstairs here. I'm gonna try to see if I can snipe him.
Dude, I don't know, man. The graphics look very good. I think I got shot at from the church.
9mm up here.
Copy. Wow. I don't talk about that one either. This person's wearing a chicken helmet. Another sniper for a DMR. Here's a level 3 bag. Oh, that fucking hurt. Field 330.
There he is.
Drop.
You know, it's amazing how many bullets they can take when they drop. But I'm on the ground, one bullet, and my health bar is gone.
Mm-hmm. Funny how that works out, right?
Mm-hmm. There's some more 9mm in this person.
Cool. I'm good for a little while, but I'm sure I'll need some more later. So I'll go ahead and pick it up. Storm's coming on us too.
Oh, where'd our teammates go? Green is way over there.
One of them never dropped with us.
They are both far away.
How many first aids you got?
6.
Oh, bro, take some of these.
Oh, there's a fucking stack right here I just dropped.
Oh, well, I had 21, so...
Wow.
I know. That's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying. Because, like, quick, fast-paced games like this, I don't even look and see how many first aids I have when I'm killing people and I'm picking up their stuff. I just pick them up until I literally cannot pick up anything else. In the early game, I'll pick up painkillers and I'll just pop them. But I usually, for health, I usually only try to carry first aids, med kits if I can find them, and energy drinks.
I definitely rock with pains. I try to keep a balance of pain and energy.
I used
the two together gives me exactly 100%. And then I'll grab me a needle if I find it.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Parkour! Parkour!
Hundo percento. Oh wow, this is phase 3. Well, we're not that far, so we're good. So what you rocking? I know you said you got 9mm.
MP5 and mini.
Okay, that's not bad. That's a good good loadout.
Mm-hmm.
I got an MP5 and M16, so pretty much the same thing. I'm hearing some shots.
This garage is loaded. 9mm.
Is it?
There's a couple hundred rounds in there.
Oh wow. I'm hearing some shots kind of close to us. From like northeast.
Definitely bots.
Oh, 100%. I don't know if it's just like the sunset kind of deal we got going on. But the graphics are definitely looking good.
They did a huge polish on the game back a year or two ago. Because like when it first started, the graphics were decently grainy.
Mm.
And then they came in and like really polished it up.
So I'm kind of surprised that both of our guy in front on the road, you see that up there at the bend?
Here.
Wow, I kind of forgot what I was gonna say.
You for both of us. It's kind of funny, both of us something.
Yeah, I'm kind of surprised both of our teammates haven't
On a scale from 1 to 10, my friend, you're fucked.
died yet.
GTA bitch.
Wow, that was rough. You're gonna have to stop. I'm very low.
Shit, people right in front, right in front.
Yeah,
Be
they're
careful.
bots. They're fine.
Fuck, they are.
Don't run me over, please. Oh my goodness.
Those are not bots. Kid, let's go. Get in here.
The one in the houses aren't.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
we're
not
not
what
in
we
a
want.
position to fool with them at all.
I think we are.
No, they had the advantage, clear advantage in location. Where's our dude? Red smoke, right side.
Yeah, I saw it. You want to stop at it, or
I mean, I can if you want to hit it while I heal.
I'll just take a look at it.
Somebody's already got it, so keep moving.
How do you know that?
Smoke's gone.
Is that what that means? I thought
That's
it
what I
was
was
just on a timer. Oh, this is like one of the last circles too.
I really need to heal.
Ooh, you got like half health. That's not gonna help.
Got it.
If that's what you call having it, I don't want to know what not having it looks like.
I mean,
Alright,
we're
well,
on our wheels.
I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out.
Not yet, you're not. Now you may exit.
Jesus.
I just came up here to be with you and you're leaving.
He don't want us here, obviously. Unless he's checking
Story
the
of my
perimeter.
life.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
I'm checking these mountaintops, making sure nobody comes down from on top.
I think it's them and us and a straggler.
Or it's just them and us, because it's only 4-4.
Oh, well, it just went down. It was 9.
Thing is, I don't know how many people were in that house. I thought it was just 2, honestly.
I think it's safe to assume a 4.
Yeah.
If it's less and they're fighting each other, even better.
Oh, absolutely. I think we're gonna have to go to them, though.
I'm not walking. I know that.
I'm starting to think that I maybe should have stayed up there.
I found him!
How many?
Totally found him!
All 4?
Ooh, boy, did I find him. Oh. Come on, get back on your wheels. There you go, girl.
All 4 of them?
Oh my god. Yeah, it's fucking... it was 2 for a little bit, then I was able to save it. So, they're at the top of the hill up here. North. I can't fucking ping it while I'm driving. But, I mean, they're at the top of the hill.
Oh, really?
They're moving in. They're moving in. They have high ground, so be careful.
I have the high ground.
think we need to move up to yellow because they're all going to be up there. Ooh, but the fucking zone's down there.
Yes, it is.
Woo! That startled me.
I'm going ahead and grabbing zone.
Ooh! You shot me in my face.
I don't see anything from where I am. Is that rock
Ooh.
where you are in zone?
Yes.
Okay,
yes, it is.
Green is deep in zone. Ow! 125-ish? I gotta heal, that hurt. By that rock right there.
Yeah. I fucking tore his ass up, just didn't drop him.
I think there's like 2 right there.
They're gonna be on the loop all the way around. Got him.
Talk to me.
Either one's down inside the green smoke. Guarantee you his buddy's picking him up. I'm fucking going over there, kamikaze style.
So much for kamikaze style.
Oh, dude, I was running right in that bad boy.
Nice little game. Okay, totally unnecessary. Totally unnecessary.
Look at the height.
I know, I saw that. Jeez Louise.